there, this is just a brief tutorial on how to use the online math book resources to keep up to date during the summer about math skills and keep practicing what we've learned in 3rd grade. What you would do is start from the North Allegheny McKnight webpage, and then I'm just going to go down here over to the online textbook resources, and this will show you how you can access the 3rd grade textbooks. You may already know how to do this, but just in case you don't. Then you would click on 3rd grade, and then ours, you would click on math. So then whenever the math one comes up, you may need to fill in this portion. It's already filled in for me, but then you would put in NA and then the ID number, and the password is Tigers1. And then this is going to come up. You should say your name at the top up here. So if you want to click on My Library, then all of the things that are free to access for your child will come up here. What I would suggest doing is going to the Interactive Student Edition, because it has all of the different chapters for 3rd grade here. You can pick and choose which ones you think that you need a little bit more practice on, or if you want to, you can just go through every chapter and do a few lessons or all the lessons, depending on how detailed you want to get. So say, for example, you had a hard time with fractions. You can click on Understand Fractions and then click on Equal Parts of a Whole as the first lesson. And it's going to bring up this separate window. It'll tell you this
What are
question.
Equal parts of a whole?
It'll even talk to you too. And then you'll start and you'll get to hear
Hi there.
the problem.
See the basket on the table?
And you can click through it. I mean, they'll
Let's look
lead
at
you
how to
through it,
solve
but
a problem about
they'll show you the
equal
question.
parts. Lauren shares a sandwich with 3 friends. They each get an equal part. How many equal parts are there? Let's unlock.
Then
When you look at a shape that's divided
it'll lead
into
you through the
let's
different
find
parts
the
of
number
the,
of equal parts.
lesson,
Now
and then at the
let's
end,
practice with the personal
there will be
math
some
trainer.
practice with the personal math trainer. You have to click on that, and then it'll give you some individualized practice that goes along with the lesson, that you can go ahead and choose your answers, and it'll check it for you. Something else that you could do is you could access the textbook from this personal math trainer, so it'll show you the pages from specifically that lesson, so that you could print it out if you'd want to, and try to work on that again. And then you can go back and pick which lessons that you'd like to work on. Something else that you can take a look at are these Math on the Spot video tutorials, if you just need a little bit of extra. And then for this, you can also access the 4th grade ones too. So if you kind of would like to look at what is coming up in 4th grade in the different chapters, you could watch those videos to kind of get an idea of where you're heading. And then there's some other tools here that you could check out as well. But I would suggest using the Interactive Student Edition for some extra practice, or using the student book to review specific parts. Please let me know.